how to play Baseball 9 against your friends. I'm going to tell you how to play Baseball 9 against your friends. As of now, Baseball 9 doesn't have a direct multiplayer mode where you can invite and play against your friends in real time. The game is mostly single player, built around managing your team and progressing through leagues. However, you can still compete with your friends indirectly. Start by making sure you're both connected to the same platform, usually mobile, and track your progress by comparing records, team stats, or achievements. Some players create personal challenges like setting win goals or building all custom teams to keep it competitive. If a multiplayer mode ever gets added in a future update, it'll likely involve online matchmaking or friend invites through Game Center or Google Play Center. But for now, it's all about solo progress and bragging rights. Not a quite head-to-head match, but there's still a way to keep a score.